In today's new video, will be repeat the most important question of IIBF, and if you understand, then please subscribe the my channel. Let's start the video. Get PDF 9244658008. Call and WhatsApp. First question. Question: deposit under the foreign currency not resident FCNR scheme can be accepted for a minimum of first objective 15 days, second objective 3 months, third objective 6 months, fourth objective 1 year. Is right answer 1 year. Is right answer is 4. Next question. Question: who issue the Mudra card to customer? Question: who issue the Mudra card to customer? First objective: bank either directly or a association with MFIS. Second objective: MFIS directly. Third objective: Mudra. Fourth objective: none of this. Is right answer banks either directly or a association with MFIS. Is right answer first. Next question. Question: which of the following account are entered for keeping saving of individual and small business for meeting their future money need and banks pay interest or this account? First object to saving account, second object to fixed deposit, third object to current account, fourth object to recurring account. Is right answer saving account. Is right answer first. Get PDF. Next question. Question: gold and silver ornaments should be kept in bank lockers. Question: gold and silver ornaments should be kept in bank lockers. First objective: it is safe. Second objective: no risk the theft. Third objective: both A and B. Fourth objective: none of above. Is right answer fourth objective none of above. Is right answer is 4. Next question. Question: a unit will be classified as a medium enterprise in the service sector if its investment in equipment not exceeding Rs. First objective 5 crore rupees, second objective 10 crore rupees, third objective 2 crore rupees, fourth objective 1 crore rupees. Is right answer 5 crores. Is right answer first. Next question. Question: the relationship between banker and customer in case of safe deposit locker. Question: the relationship between banker and customer in case of safe deposit locker. First objective bailey and bailier, second objective creditor and debitor, third objective ledger and lessee, fourth objective debitor and creditor. Is right answer ledger and lessee. Is right answer is third. Get PDF 9244658008. Call and WhatsApp. Next question. Question: we should keep on saving with bank because first objective it is safe, second objective earn interest, third objective can be withdrawn anytime, fourth objective all of above. Is right answer all of above. Is right answer is 4. Next question. When the income is less and expenses are more a person need to. And question, when the income is less and expenses are more a person need to. First object to spend, second object to save, third object to gamble, fourth object to lend. Is the right answer save. Second is the right answer. Please subscribe my channel and get updated. Next question. Question, a standard assist of a bank is defined as an assist which is. First object to non-NPA, not a non-performing assistant या assist. Second object to a double full assist. Third object to a loan assist. Fourth object to none of these. Is right answer NPA, not a non-performing assist. Is right answer is first. Next question. What is the USP of a current account? Question, what is the USP of a current account? First object to non-resistance on transactions. Second object to low TDS. Third object to high minimum balance. Fourth object to high interest payable. Is the right answer first. Is right answer is first. Next question. Current account deposits are not a entitled to. First object to checkbook away 100 levels. Second object to monthly statement. Third object to cash payment. Fourth object to interest. Is the right answer interest. Is the right answer is 4. Next question. Question, commercial papers are issued by. Question, commercial papers are issued by. First object to company to a bank. Second object to banks to companies. Third object to banks. Fourth object to company to its suppliers. Is the right answer bank to banks. Is the right answer is third. Next question. What is direct benefits transfer? Question, what is direct benefits of transfer? First object to cash discount on goods. Second object to remittance threats bank. Third object to transfer of social benefits. Fourth object to none of above. Is right answer transfer of social benefits. Is right answer is third. Next question. ICICI provides financial assistance to. Question, ICICI provides financial assistance to. First object to small scale industries. Second object to minimum scale industries. Third object to long and medium terms funds in the private sector. Fourth object to all of above. Is right answer long and minimum terms fund in the private sector. Is right answer is third. Next question. What is the minimum number of HUFs which can become partners in a partnership firm? First object to 2, second object to 3, fourth object to 10, third object to 10, fourth object to HUFs cannot be partners in a partnership firm. Is the right answer fourth. Next question. Question, saving account can be opened by whom? Question, saving accounts can be opened by whom? Is right answer all businessmen only. All businessmen only. Is right answer 4. Next question. When will a loan be NPA? When will a loan be NPA? Is the right answer. All of above is the right answer 4. Next question. Question. Who regulates mandatory policy? Question. Who regulates mandatory policy? First object to IRDA, second object to RBI, third object to SIDBI, fourth object to all of above. Is the right answer RBI. RBI is the right answer. Right answer is third. Next question. Question. What are the operating hours of NEFT on Saturday? First object to up to 12 noon, second object to up to 11 am, third object to up to 11:30 am, fourth object to up to 7 pm. Is the right answer. Up to 7 pm is the right answer is 4. Next question. Question. Most of the people among us are. Question. Most of the people among us are. Is right answer. Risk averse. Is right answer is third. Next question. In a bank's balance sheet, loans are evidence bill appear in column. Is right answer assists. Is right answer is second. Next question. Which of the following scheme was formulated by RBI? First object to banking Avasman scheme, second object to Jan Dhan Yojana, third object to Mudra Bank Yojana, fourth object to BTQ finance scheme. Is right answer banking Avasman scheme. Is right answer the first. Next question. Where in the headquarter of Reserve Bank of India? Question. Where is the headquarter of Reserve Bank of India? First object to Mumbai, second object to Delhi, third object to Kolkata, fourth object to Ahmedabad. Is right answer Mumbai. Mumbai is right answer is first. Next question. Who can avail the PMMY loan? Who can avail the PMMY loan? First object to any Indian citizen, second object to any film body corporation, third object to both A and B, fourth object to none of these. Is right answer both A and B. Is right answer is third. Get PDF 9244658008. Call and WhatsApp. Please subscribe my channel. Next question. MGNEGS. MGNREGS stand for. First object to Mahatma Gandhi, second object to Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, third object to none of above, fourth object to all of these. Question 25. Important question. MGNREGS stand for. Is right answer Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Is right answer is second. Next question. When did Indian Banking Act come into force? Question. When did Indian Banking Act come into force? Is the right answer second. 1949. Next question. Which of the following banks has acquired the Cantonal Bank of Punjab? Is right answer HDFC. Is right answer is third HDFC. Next question. What is the RuPay debit card? This question, what is RuPay debit card? First objective, domestic debit card. Second objective, introduced by National Payment Corporation of India. Third objective, accepted at all ATM POS machine. Fourth objective, all of above. Is the right answer for all of above. Next question. Who administer Atal Pension Yojana? Question repeat. Who administer Atal Pension Yojana? First objective LIC, second objective GICRE, third objective PFRDA, fourth objective IRDAI. Is right answer PFRDA. Is right answer is third. Next question. What is the minimum loan amount available under PMMY? Question. What is the minimum loan amount available under PMMY? First objective 5 lakh rupees, second objective 10 lakh rupees, fourth objective 50 lakh rupees, third objective 50 lakh rupees, fourth objective 60 lakh rupees. Is right answer 50 lakhs rupees. Is right answer is third. Next question. Who can open bank account? Question. Who can open bank account? First objective Indian citizen, second objective non-resident Indian, third objective in trade, fourth objective all of above. Is right answer all of above. Is right answer is fourth. Next question. What is the tax benefit under Atal Pension Yojana? Question. What is the tax benefit under Atal Pension Yojana? First objective 10,000 rupees, second objective 50,000 rupees, third objective 1 lakh rupees, fourth objective 2 lakh rupees. Is right answer 50,000 rupees. Is right answer is second. Next question. TDS means. Question. TDS means. First objective time deposit scheme, second objective total deposit scheme, third objective tax deducted at square, third objective none of above. Is right answer tax deducted at square. Is right answer is third. Next question. Question. Who is eligible to get the Mudra loans under PMMY out of following borrowers? Question. Who is eligible to get the Mudra loans under PMMY out of following borrowers? Is right answer small fruits, weeders, vegetables, sellers, etc. Is right answer is third. Next question. What is the full form of PMJJBY? Question. What is the full form of PMJJBY? Right answer प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना बीमा योजना. प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना is the right answer third. Next question. Bank passbook is. Question 36. Bank passbook is right answer all of above. Is right answer is all of above. Next question. Question. Atal Pension Yojana was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on. Question. Atal Pension Yojana was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on. Is right answer 9 May 2015. Is right answer is fourth. Next question. Internet banking transaction excluded is right answer. Withdrawal of cash anywhere in India is right answer is first. Next question. Aadhaar number is a dated digit is right answer is 12 is right answer is third. Next question. Question. Communication skill is a soft skill. Communication skill is a soft skill is right answer is third. Get PDF 9244658008 is call in WhatsApp. Next question. Question. Nomination facilities are available is right answer in all of above. Let's start the video. First question. Expand AEPS. First question. Expand AEPS. First objective. Account enable payment system. Second objective. Aadhaar enable payment and settlement. Third objective. Aadhaar enable payment system. Fourth objective. Anywhere electronic payment solution is right answer. Aadhaar enable payment system is right answer first and third. Next question. Question. What does marketing of internet banking mean? Question. What internet banking mean? First objective. Meetings of banks of the net. Second objective. Net practice. Third objective. Marketing the use of banking transaction through internet. Fourth objective. Transaction with foreign countries. Question. What does marketing of internet banking mean? Is right answer. Marketing the use of banking transaction through internet. Get PDF. Next question. Question. Expanded NPCI. Question. Expanded NPCI. First objective. National Payment Corporation of India. Second objective. National Payment Cooperative Institute. Third objective. New Payments Corporation of India. Third objective. New Payment Cooperative Institute is right answer. National Payment Corporation of India is right answer first. Get PDF 9244658008. Next question. Question. ATM is one of the banking channels. Here the abbreviation ATM refers to dash dash. First objective. Anytime money. Second objective. Automatic teller machine. Third objective. Automatic transaction machine. Fourth objective. All time money is right answer. Automated teller machine is right answer second. Next question. Question. Is a service provided by a bank which? Question. Fifth question. Is a services provided by a bank which allows its customers to perform transactions over the telephone? First objective e-banking. Second objective mobile banking. Third objective phone banking. Fourth objective none of this is right answer. Mobile banking. Most important question. Question. Is a service provided by a bank which allows the customers to perform transactions over the telephone is right answer. Mobile banking. Second is right answer. Next question, RuPay debit card is introduced by first objective RBI, Reserve Bank of India, second objective NPCI, National Payment System, third objective IBA, fourth objective Government of India. Question, RuPay debit card is introduced by is right answer NPCI, National Payment is right answer second. Next question, which of the following is known as a savings bank account opened with a commercial bank with zero balance or a very minimum balance? Question 7, which of the following is known as a saving bank account opened with a commercial bank with zero balance or a very minimum balance? First objective current account, second objective no frills account, third objective saving bank ordinary account, fourth objective student saving bank account is right answer no frills account. Right answer no frill account. Second is the right answer. Next question. Question 8th most important. Question most important. Question, development financial institute in India that has got married with a bank is first objective IDBI, second objective ICICI, third objective IDFC, fourth objective UTI. Is most important question. Development financial institutes in India that has got married with a bank is right answer ICIC. Second is right answer. Get PDF 9244658008 in our screen. Next question. Question, Mudra has been set up by whom? First objective Government of India, second objective RBI, third objective SEBI, fourth objective none of this is right answer Government of India. Mudra has been set up by whom is Government of India is right answer. First right answer. Next question. Question, what is the use of Mudra card and how it can be used? First objective, in drawing cash for ATM or business correspondent. Second objective, make purchases using point of sale POS machine. Third objective, both of above. Fourth objective, none of this is right answer both of above. Third is the right answer. Next question. Question, what is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY? Is two type question. First question, what is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY? Second question, PMSBY what is? Is right answer Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. First objective accidental insurance cover, second objective life insurance cover, third objective overdraft up to Rs 5,000 rupees, fourth objective none of above is right answer accidental insurance cover is right answer first. Next question. Question, PMMY loan is given for which purpose? Purpose. First objective income generation purpose, second objective conservation purpose, third objective both A and B, fourth objective none of above. Is right answer income generation purpose. First is right answer. Next question. Question: how much interest saving would earn in PMJDY account? Question: how much interest saving would earn in PMJDY account? First objective, interest rate applicable for saving bank account. Second objective, interest rate will be decided by the finance ministry. Third objective, no interest will be provided. Fourth objective, interest at 2% for the time being is right answer. Interest rate applicable for saving bank account is right answer first. Next question: can a minor open an account under PMJDY? Is right answer. A minor above the age of 10 years can open his/her saving bank account in any bank. Second is right answer. Next question. Question: from where the PMMY loan can be availed? First objective, public sector banks provide sector banks, foreign bank, cooperative bank. Second objective, directly from Mudra. Third objective, both A and B. Fourth objective, none of these is right answer. Public sector bank, private sector banks, foreign banks in cooperative bank is right answer first. Next question. PMJDY means. Question important. PMJDY means. First objective, Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana. Second objective, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Sorry, typing mistake. Third objective, Pradhan Mantri Janodhan Yojana. Fourth objective, Primary Money Jan Dhan Jodhan Yojana is right answer. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is right answer first and second. Next question. Question: who is the present governor of RBI? Who is the present governor of RBI? First objective, KC Chakrabarti. Second objective, DK Mittal. Third objective, Shaktikant Das. Fourth objective, Murtik Singh Alovula is right answer. Shaktikant Das. Third is right answer. Next question. Question: payment of check can be stopped by. Question: payment of check can be stopped by is right answer. Driver of check. Third is the right answer. Next question. Question: which one the following statement is incorrect as records RuPay debit card? Question: which one of the following statement is incorrect as records RuPay debit card is right answer. It's a debit card introduced by NPCI is right answer. It is a debit card introduced by NPCI is the right answer. Third. Next question. The whom of overdraft facility of 10,000 in PMJDY account is available. Question: the whom the overdraft facility of 10,000 rupees in PMJDY account is available is right answer. All of above is right answer. All of above. Next question. Question: what is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Question: what is PMJDY? First objective, National Mission of Financial Inclusion. Second objective is insurance access to financial service in a applicable. Third objective, it ensure insurance pension in a applicable manner. Fourth objective, all of above is right answer. All of above. Next question. Question: Where are the frequently asked question FAQs on PMMY loans available for information of the lending institute and public? First object to DF website, second object to PMO website, third object to Mudra website, fourth object to none of this is right answer Mudra website. Third is the right answer Mudra website. Next question. What is premium per annum that is to be paid under PMSBY? Question. What is the premium per annum that is to be paid under PMSBY? First object to 6, second object to 12, third object to 100, fourth object to 330 is right answer 12. Second is right answer 334 is right answer 12. Next question. The long term vision of Jan Dhan Yojana lay foundation of a economic. First object to cash, second object to barter, third object to cashless, fourth object to planet is right answer cashless economy. Question. The long term vision of Jan Dhan Yojana lay foundation of a dash economy is right answer cashless economy is right answer third. Next question. Which deposits are a combination of demand and fixed deposit for meeting customer financial need in a flexible manner is right answer hybrid deposit. Hybrid deposit is right answer. Third is the right answer. Next question. What does effective banks marketing require? Question. What does effective bank marketing require? First object to paper printing, second object to customized products, third object to simple products, fourth object to all of above. Question. What does effective bank marketing require is right answer all of above is right answer fourth. Please subscribe to the channel for latest update in great PDF is screen. Next question. The three stages of money laundering are. Question. The three stages of money laundering are is right answer interrogation, layering, placement is right answer fourth. Next question. What is the full form of CRR? Question. What is the full form of CRR? First object to cash reserve rate, second object to cash reserve ratio, third object to cash reserve ratio, fourth object to core reserve rate is right answer cash reserve ratio is right answer second. Next question. What is the amount of insurance up to which a deposit is insured is right answer Rs 1 lakh per depositor per bank is right answer second. Question. What is the amount of insurance up to which a depositor insured is right answer Rs 1 lakh per depositor per bank. Next question. What does retail banking mean? Question. What does retail banking mean is right answer giving consumer loans to various public. Question. What does retail banking mean is right answer giving consumer loan to various public is right answer fourth. Next question. Maintenance of the following books registers in not compulsory for SHG. Question. Maintenance of the banking books registers in not compulsory for SHG is right answer. Visitors book is right answer. Third. Next question. What are the documents that are required to be submitted for availing loans under Mudra? Question. What are the documents that are required to be submitted for availing loans under Mudra? First objective, standard loan application form. Second objective, proof of income, latest ITR, financial documents of income. Third objective, last 6 month bank statement. Fourth objective, all of above. 32 important question. What are the documents that are required to be submitted for availing loans under Mudra? Is right answer. All of above is right answer. Fourth. Next question. Among the following, the correct share of central, state and sponsor bank in RRBS is? Question. Among the following, the correct share of central, state and sponsor bank in RRBS is right answer. Fourth. 50, 15, 35% is right answer. Fourth. Next question.